taxpayers feel overburdened by Utah's tax system. And, we look at the math and it doesn't look like it's that much, but there is room for relief.
I'm Ben Winslow on Utah's Capitol Hill. Let's talk taxes. Here's what your elected leaders have planned when it comes to taxes and the upcoming legislative session and how it's going to impact your wallet.
You're detached from reality.
At Truth in Taxation hearings across Utah last year, angry residents complained about their property taxes going up.
If they want to increase it, they're going to have to justify it.
Representative Tiara Oxier has filed a bill in the state legislature to block cities, counties, and school districts from making huge property tax hikes without voter approval.
A constitutional limit on spending and revenue growth that would be tied to inflation and population growth. And if we want to raise our taxes above that, it would require a vote of the people.
She pitched it to a meeting of the Utah Taxpayers Association on Monday, where they have concerns.
We're open to it and looking at it. We just want to make sure it doesn't inspire government to look at fees or other ways to get their revenue that's less transparent than the current property tax system.
Taxes will be a big thing in the Utah legislature this year.
Property tax, we're hearing consistently that they're too high. Gas tax, consistently that the price of fuel is too high. Housing and affordability.
Republican legislative leaders are pushing for property tax relief with several bills in the works.
That's certainly where the focus is, and that's why they're looking at things that will potentially bring some relief to a homeowner. But if they're a small business owner also, they're going to see, that burden undone on their small business on the other side.
House Republican leadership is also pushing a cut to the tax you pay at the gas pump while increasing taxes on refineries. The bill's sponsor says he's had oil and gas lobbyists coming at him. We saw a few corner him about it.
If we thought they could just pass this on to the consumer, why are they opposing it? They're opposing it because they know they can't pass it on to the consumer. It's going to come out of their margin.
Lawmakers are looking to eliminate a so-called marriage penalty tax to save money.
Especially the lower income individuals, encouraging them to file jointly, get married.
An income tax cut is still up in the air. President Trump's big, beautiful bill already gave some Utahns a tax cut. But one lawmaker says she'd rather the state not cut taxes anymore.
I'd rather not save money when it comes to $48 on my income tax and make sure that money is going into our social safety net.
Those tax bills will be considered when the legislature begins meeting next week. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.